Greetings. Hi viewers, I welcome you to my YouTube channel English to English. In this video, I am going to give a review on the novel The White Tiger. The White Tiger is a novel written by Aravind Adiga. Who is Aravind Adiga? Aravind Adiga was born in the year 1974 at Chennai and he grew up in Mangalore. He educated at Columbia University in New York. His profession is journalism. He wrote many number of articles. His articles have been published in the journal called New Yorker, Sunday Times, Financial Times and Times of India. The White Tiger novel has been published in the year 2008. In the same year, the novel received Man of Booker Prize for fiction. Aravind Adiga's style of writing is satire. Poverty, disobedience, no lawful incidents, no moral righteousness are reflected in the style. The White Tiger novel is written in an epistolary mode. We can say the White Tiger is a epistolary novel. What is epistolary novel? Epistolary novel means a novel written as a series of documents, that is called epistolary novel. The story of this novel White Tiger is ordinary person was born in a poor family and he was doing menial works, odd works. Then finally he becomes the successful businessman. How he becomes successful entrepreneur. That is the story of this novel. Main character of this novel is Balram Halvi. Halvi is the name of the community. He was born in a large poor family in Lakshmangarh village. When Balram was studying in a school, he was very brilliant and bright student. One day there is an inspection. The inspection officer asks a critical question to our hero Balram, but Balram gives a clever answer. In that time, his class teacher gives the name the White Tiger. The White Tiger means rare species. In this way, he gives the answer cleverly for the critical questions. Due to his family financial situations, he was dropped out from the school. Then he joined as a servant in the tea stall where he is doing all kind of menial works. In the tea stall is the spot for the public people. They were talking and discussing about the political incidents. All these discussions have been keenly listened and observed by our hero Balram. Our Balram is a good listener. Then his father was died because of tuberculosis diseases. Then he leaves the village Lakshmangarh. He moved to Dhanbad where he is a driver for the taxi driver. He learns how to drive a four-wheeler. Then he took driving license. Then he joined to Ashok. He is the businessman in Dhanbad city in Jharkhand. He is the second driver for Ashok. Then one day Balram has killed his owner, employer. Then he takes large amount of money and he leaves to Bangalore where he bribes the amount to the officials and the police. Then he started his business, taxi business. Then finally he becomes the successful businessman. What are the main characters in this novel is those four rich people in the Lakshmangarh village. Ashok is one of the four rich people's son. He is doing business in the Dhanbad city in Jharkhand. His wife Pinky Madam. These are the main characters in this novel. Then my favorite character is also Balram because till he joining as the second driver for Ashok, I likes his character and behavior. But he kills his employer because Ashok's wife Pinky drives a car. When he hits a public, that person was died. Ashok is asking to his driver Balram, you accept this mistake. You met an accident. You did this accident. I will protect you. But in that time, Balram has realized his mistake. that he has been brainwashing by his employer. He kills his employer. So after killing his employer, I am not interested in the character of Balram. Then the technique, simple, technical, persuasive, logical. Author wrote this novel in technical and persuasive style. Technical, after killing his employer, Balram leaves this Dhanbad city and moved to Bangalore, and he has hiding his identity. He calls himself as Ashok Sharma. He hides his originality. Technically, he hides his originality. He is persuading to the officials. Nobody has asked, where are you coming from, how did you get this huge amount of money. Those things are not clearly mentioned in this novel. Persuasive style and technically author has applied this one. Then how clearly the book is written means, our author beautifully wrote about this character Balram. Balram is a good listener. While he was doing menial work in the tea stall, he was listening carefully everybody's communication. The public were discussing about the political incidents. One political party man moved to another political party. The person gives the bribe for getting contract, getting tender. All these incidents were being discussed by the public in the tea stall. Our Balram listens all these narrations and conversation. He clearly understood, and he clearly know about the society and the nature of this country, nature of this people. If you have money, you can do anything. In this way, in this opinion, our Balram comes to this place. These things are beautifully written in this novel. Did the author achieve his goal means, I can say no, because our human life is following certain law of nature, moral values. No moral values are mentioned in this novel, because moral values means, if a person committing mistake means he should be punished. If the person is doing good means he should be rewarded. But those things are missing in this novel. Our hero protagonist Balram is doing all kind of works. He bribing the government officials. He kills his own employer, and he becomes successful businessman. Still, he hides his originality. He calls himself Ashok Sharma, but he lives his happy life till the end of this novel. He never get any kind of punishment. So the moral value is missing. Law of nature is also missing in this novel. So I can say author cannot achieve his goal. Author's most important point, our India is beautifully portrayed in this novel, which means India is unflattered in this novel, The White Tiger. There is two type of people. One is rich people, another one is poor people. If you have money, you can do anything in this country. Those things are clearly, beautifully described in this novel. I can point out two examples. One is, the government hospitals in our country is very poor condition, bad condition. While Balram's father has been admitted in the hospital, there is no good treatment in the government hospitals. Then his elder sister also admitted in that hospital. That hospital is in bad condition, poor condition, that are beautifully described in this novel. Then Ashok and his wife Pinky both are going to their native village Lakshmangarh. When the vehicle was driving by Balram, nobody is following the traffic rules. No one is following the rules and regulations. Simply everyone is crossing the road when the signal is in red. The walkers are crossing the road. No one is obeying rules and regulations. Those things are beautifully described in this novel. Possibilities for the readers. I can suggest the readers this, you can read this novel, because if you want to know the nature of the Indian citizen, attitudes of the Indian citizen, the mind of our Indian people, how some people are becoming very rich within the overnight. Those informations, darker side of our India also clearly mentioned in this novel, clearly described in this novel. If you know, if you want to know all these things, this novel The White Tiger is the right novel you can read. Thank you.